In this tutorial, we will give you an idea about the platform architecture so that you can plan your project better and more effectively. The project comprises basic configurations, which include information, assets, and other resources that are applied at different levels, such as the app level, page level, and module level. The app level configuration is the broadest category of configurations and applies to the entire project unless overridden by page level or module level configurations. The page level configurations override the app level configuration and apply it to specific pages, that is products and categories, unless overridden by module level configurations. The module level configurations override app level and page level configurations and apply them to specific modules like forms, images, text, etc. The overall idea is that configurations that apply to a subset of components override the configurations applied to a superset. Thus, the order of precedence follows as module level, followed by page level, followed by app level, followed by hard-coded configurations. With these concepts in hand, let's go ahead and learn more about the My App panel. Like, subscribe, and share the video if you found this helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any queries or send an inquiry to hello@virtubox.io.